It is Thursday.
Out here ripping. Hey, hopefully we bring our shit home. Get 2 pieces.
An axle breaks arm. But we have a hell of a lot of fun. We got the menace out of the house. It's like 6 o'clock. We were supposed to leave at 5. We stuffed about as much shit as we can in the bed of my work truck. Got 3 full-size bikes, a stretch bike, and a pit bike. We're gonna see how Vinny does ride pit bikes. Push, Robert.
No, I was not. I swear I was not pushing.
There's a wall around my heart like a shield. Hate of coping mechanisms and medicine. And it's not that I don't wanna try to love again. It's just I don't know how.
Fucking bitch.
When my family started asking what was wrong, and the character's flaws turned into personality. I don't know how I got here. I thought I still felt my feet on the ground. And just like that, I'm going on, and my soul is losing feeling. Oh, feel up my lungs, but I still don't think I'm breathing. Oh, dead with the pulse and softly losing control. What have I done? Please don't let me go. Let me go, no. Don't let me go. There's a look inside your eyes like a fire escape, and it's burning me alive, asking why we wait. So take me up and slow dance with my bones around the graveyard.
3, 2, 1.
Hallelujah, holding to you like a bride. But it never lasts long enough for me to breathe. And it only takes a moment for my mind to freeze back over. And just
That's not
like
bad.
that, I'm going on, and my soul is losing feeling. Oh, feel up my lungs, but I still don't think I'm breathing. Oh, dead with the pulse and softly losing control. What have I done? Please don't let me go. Let me go, no.
Chopping throttles in the house. Briary is gangster. Big long hills, second, third gear, wide open. We're out here ripping. It's gonna be a great Saturday. A lot more people today, and the sends are gonna be high today. Hopefully, we bring our shit home in 2 pieces.
My brain's melted. I slept in the Red Needle last night. Didn't get much good sleep. We had stains all over the bed. We had a jacuzzi. We were in the sex dungeon.
Yeah, these two were sleeping together.
I rolled over and he was touching my thigh.
Sharing a king-size bed, baby. The Red Needle.
I did not move his hand.
Did you like this thing?
He started it. He initiated it. He started rubbing it, giving me little foot taps.
So we're here at Briary. It's Saturday, September 12th, second day, day 2. So we're gonna have a bunch of locals showing up today. A bunch of Keegan's buddies from in town. Got a lot of the hill climb guys. Big senders on quads. We got Gio actually ripping on a quad. He's a big dirt bike guy. Eric, all the boys, they're out. Charles Morrison, John Paul. So we should have some good sends today and go play in some new valleys today. So we'll see how it goes. The dirty dog himself. You gonna climb anything cool today? No walls? No balls. Vinny, I love you. Got Marcus landing on his LT80. Dude, yeah,
Rolling.
that's 5 seconds.
20 seconds, maybe.
20 seconds.
That's what my nose and my lungs are feeling like.
Oh. Pocket edging,
Dude, that's
hand in the pocket.
but you got no pockets.
That's the whole point, watch out. You put a mic in front of two idiots.